Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do these broke hoe nails on a budget. They look salon ready, but it was super cheap and super quick and easy. So I'm going to be starting off with my ugly, broke, gross nails, and here's some things that you're going to need. Some cotton balls, of course, some pure acetone to remove any nail polish. You're also going to need alcohol to remove, oils, nail tips, and a nail file. You're going to need clippers as well as some scissors to cut down the nail tips. And then you're going to need some gel polishes. My favorite is finger paints, of course. It's super affordable. And then this is just my gel light, my UV light. It was about $34 from Sally's. So first, I'm just removing any excess nail polish, oils, anything I have on my nails that can stop the glue from adhering, as well as the gel polish from sticking and staying. And then I'm going to be taking my nail file and buffing. Of course, you can use a buffer if you want. I couldn't find mine, so I'm just using the file and gently buffing my nails. Then I'm taking my nail tips and I'm going to take them and measure them out first. This is a really important step and is going to save you a lot of time. Just making sure that you're measuring each finger and setting them out in order so that you have the same sizes on both hands and you have them ready to go. Alright, so once I have them all laid out and ready to go, I'm just going to be taking my nail glue and I'm going to glue each of these on. The nail tips I'm using actually are designed to go halfway down your finger, so they're going to stay on a little bit better than the traditional nail tips that only adhere to like a little tiny bit of your nail. This is what it looks like when all my fingers are done and glued on. Sometimes I think about keeping them that long, but then I take my scissors and I trim them and I kind of fiddle with them until I get them down to the length and the shape that I want. So as you can see, I realized this was a little bit too long, and then I cut it down again and I take some clippers, and then this is when I realized that I wanted to do more of a stiletto almond nail shape, just because I feel like it's really flattering on my hands. So I'm cutting off the excess. Then once I get the nail shape that I like, I do this to all of my fingers, making sure that they're an even length, and then I do the exact same thing on the other side so that they are super even. Lengths are exactly equal on both sides. So this is what it looks like, my rough copy of my nails. Then I'm going to take my nail file and file them down to the exact shape that I want. This is the most important step because once you get the polish on, you don't want to do too much filing because you don't want to rip any of the polish or chip it. So this is what they look like once I'm all done filing. And then I'm going to take some alcohol one last time and just get rid of any of the excess oils that are on my nails just to dry them and dehydrate the nail. Then I'm taking this nude nail polish. This is my favorite because it looks the most like acrylic once I put it on. And I'm just going to do about 3 or 4 coats of this on my nails, and I focus on the bed of my nail or near my cuticle because it's going to blend that bump out, because I actually didn't buff out the nail tip in my nail. I feel like that's just a step that I like to skip because I just kind of use the polish to smooth out that line and make it as smooth as possible. So I'm going to be putting it in and doing this process about 3 or 4 times over. So this is kind of what they look like, and next I'm just going to be putting a clear coat polish on top. This is the before I put polish. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is super easy and super affordable. The only expensive thing was a light. It was about $30, which is the cost of an entire manicure anyways, and you get a bunch of them out of this. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.